Hey guys, maybe you guys can figure out what the problem is. Like I said in the first post, making that humming, like, well, that's the fan, but I already know that. Sounds like an electric engine. It's ironic as it sounds. Anyways, that's not the problem. The problem is it started cutting now. Just see what's coming out. Sounds good, but I don't know what's up. Let's see where it's at. Damn, this is hot. You guys doing what I'm talking about now? Can you hear that? I don't know if it's just me or not, but when I'm driving on the street, that's all I could hear.